some verb drills now. Before we start, we've got some help here to show us what each part of this means. So I think it's always helpful if I use a pronoun to give me an example of a sentence, give me some context. I'm going to use he, she, and I. Let's choose a verb. Let's use the verb go. Use the verb go. Now, before we start the verb, this means verb. This is verb for she verbs. She verbs. We've got our helping verb with an S here. Helping verb is do or does. And negative. The negative is not. I'm going to use I and she, as I said, because it will help me a little bit in a minute. Okay, so let's try and make a sentence. Number one, the present simple. I go to work every day. She goes to work every day. Negative. I do not or don't go to work every day. She does not go to work every day. A question. Do you go to work every day? Does she go to work every day? Present simple. The past simple. Now we are using the irregular verb here, which is went. I went to work yesterday. I did not go to work yesterday. Did you go to work yesterday? Past simple. Now let's jump to the future. The helping verb, as we remember, is will. So I'm going to use will. I will go to work tomorrow. I will not go to work tomorrow. Will you go to work tomorrow? Check, check, check. The be verbs, before we start, let's remember what they are. The be verbs are am, is, and are. That's our three be verbs. Let's remove those so we don't cheat. Let's use I. I am going to work now. I'm not going to work now. Are you going to work now? We can try that with she as well. She is going to work now. She isn't going to work now. Is she going to work now? So as you can see, this is a very quick way of practicing all four easy, simple grammar tenses, the basics, very quickly together. Now, the next screen we're going to look at, if you think you're ready to do this alone, you can try it this way. So I'm going to use the verb play. Now I'm going to use the verb play. Now play is regular. So it's the ED for the past. For the future, it is will. Again, this time I will use we. And I will use this time for the present simple. We play tennis every Friday. He plays tennis every Friday. We do not play tennis every Friday. He does not play tennis every Friday. Do you play tennis every Friday? Does he play tennis every Friday? Present simple, finished. Let's go to the past. I played tennis last night. I did not play tennis last night, or I didn't play tennis last night. Did you play tennis last night? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Let's go to the future. Will you play tennis later? Or will you play tennis later with me? Yes, I will. No, I won't. I will not play tennis later, or I won't play tennis later. Question, will you play tennis later? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Check. Present continuous. We are playing tennis tomorrow. We are not playing tennis tomorrow, or we aren't playing tennis tomorrow. Are you playing tennis tomorrow? Yes, we are. No, we're not. And that is how you can practice your grammar tenses very, very quickly. Now, if you get very good at doing this, I suggest that you try to use other grammar tenses. For example, if you can do this one, you can do it in the past. So I was playing tennis yesterday. I will be playing tennis tomorrow at 6 o'clock, for example. So if you can do 4 grammar tenses, you can do 5 or 6 grammar tenses, for example. So you can use the same format. Okay, and that is a very easy way to drill yourself and to learn your grammar. So good luck with that. Thank you very much.